Okay guys, welcome to week number 2, workout number 1. Okay, this workout's going to be for tomorrow, Tuesday, but I'm going to post it today, so you guys will have 2 days to kind of get it completed. We're going to do a lower body workout, okay, and it's going to be a ladder system. So for those of you that have had me, which is everybody, you guys know what a ladder system is, right? We start off with a certain number, in this case 10, and then every round we go to, it drops down 1 rep. Second round is 9, then 8, then 7, all the way down till you get to 1. There are some exercises though that are going to stay at the amount of reps that we have them, and I'll mention those as we go through them, okay? But let's go ahead and go through this. The first exercise we're going to do is going to be a single leg squat, okay? Single leg squat using a chair, okay? If you guys can do single leg squats without a chair, then by all means do that. I cannot, so I have to use a chair. So the height of the chair is very important. You want to make sure that your leg is parallel to the ground. You don't want to be too down and your knees higher than your hips. You want your hips and your knees to be parallel, or the hips a little bit above the knees. We definitely do not want to have our hips below our knees, okay? So I had to add a couple of books to this chair just to kind of give me that parallel, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to put one of the legs up, whichever one you want to do first. Put your foot flat on the ground, hands right here, and you're going to pick yourself up and then take yourself back down. Pick yourself up, take down, pick yourself up, and then down. Now this might be easy for some of you guys, and if it is really easy, you might want to add a dumbbell or a backpack or a medicine ball or something that gives you a little bit more weight. Okay, very simple. Or keep your hands, behind your back. That means that you only use legs. Right here, I'm using my hands to kind of drive myself up. See, I'm kind of driving myself up, which kind of helps me a little bit, okay? So you make it as complicated as you want, okay? Make sure to switch both sides. You're gonna do 10 on one side, 10 on the other side, all right? Exercise number 2, we're gonna do a reverse lunge with knee jump, okay? Reverse lunge. So we're gonna be here, we're doing a reverse lunge, so we're stepping back. As we come up, we're gonna jump up and then drive our hand with the opposite side. So right here, my left knee, right hand, as I come up, down, 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 just like that, okay? You do 10 on one side, 10 on the other side. Remember, it is a reverse. You step back. As you step back, whatever knee stays, opposite hand, and you drive up with the opposite side. Okay, 10 of those, 10 with the left, 10 with the right. Okay, then we're gonna go to the box drill. For this one, let me show you guys what I've done here. You can see the floor here. I think you can see the box. You see those boxes right there? Those 4 boxes, okay? So those are 4 dots or 4 areas you're gonna draw on the floor or put tape on the ground, okay? And you're going to be, see if I can show you through here. I think I can. Let's see here. All right, so you might be able to see it there, but I've drawn these 4 squares on the ground. I'm gonna start off with just 1 foot, and I'm gonna hop 15 times on one side, and then I'm gonna switch 15 to the other side. This is one of the exercises that you're always gonna keep at 15. You're not gonna ladder this one down. Okay, the first 2, you ladder down. On the 3rd one, you keep it at 15. So you're at right, you're gonna hop to the front, hop to the back, hop to the left, forward, angle, forward, back, this way. You get to decide how you're hopping. So you have to just hop in any direction 15 times on 1 foot. Then you're gonna switch to the left side, and then you do it 15 times on the left. You can do boxes if you want, always follow the same pattern. You can cross diagonal, however you want to do it, okay? That's the 3rd exercise. Remember to keep that one at 15. Then we got the long jump. This one's pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna jump as long as you can. You're gonna start off in a squat position. As you explode up, your hands are gonna come down, okay? So if you're on this side, let me show this angle. You're gonna squat right before you jump. You're gonna explode up. Chest up and as forward as you can. Okay, so in this case it'd be squat, explode, land. Okay, let's try that again. So hands down. As I explode, I extend my hands down, my chest up. I leap forward, and then I try to land with 2 feet. So I'm down, explode, land. Just like that, okay? You're gonna do 10 of those, okay? And then at the very end, you're gonna end up with a burpee with a tuck, a jump tuck. Okay, burpee with a jump tuck. What does that look like? Go a little further. You're gonna go down. Okay, just like that. Burpee, jump up, tuck both knees inside. You're gonna do 10 of those, okay? At the very end, you go back around to round 1 or to the first exercise, and then do 9-9, the box drill, 15-15 all the time. Then you're gonna do your long jump 9 times, burpees with tuck 9 times. So out of all those 5 exercises, only the box drill will you continue to do 15 on both sides. You might be asking why? Because that is an easier exercise. It doesn't require a lot of body parts except your calves. So therefore we're gonna keep that at a high volume. So you can tell my breaths, whew, it's quite an exercise there when you do a burpee with a tuck. So remember, we're gonna go all the way down 10s except for the box jump. Go back around, all of it 9 except for the box jumps. Keep going all the way down till you get to 1. Okay, your cardio should be up there. Post how long it took you guys to finish. All right, so I'll see you guys on Thursday. Peace.